Pathogens, multi-resistant microorganisms in particular, pose a considerable risk in everyday hospital life for patients and staff alike. A good waste disposal system that fits easily into our processes is essential and ensures the safety of patients and staff. In everyday life at a hospital or laboratory, we therefore need a closed waste management system that fits easily into our care processes and keeps the risk of infections to a minimum.
The METEKA Hygiene System is a modern and sustainable solution for the management and disinfection of contaminated hospital and laboratory waste. It is based on two principles: to avoid infections and to protect the environment. Through the disinfection of waste directly at the place where it is produced, using its special microwave system, the spread of infections into public areas is prevented and hospital environmental hygiene is improved. These everyday problems in laboratories and clinics are countered by the METEKA Hygiene System, which provides a reliable procedure for the avoidance of infection and for the decontamination of infectious waste. By the collection, transport and disinfection in the puncture-proof MEDISTER waste container, staff are protected against injuries and infections. The easy-to-handle collection process logistics with the MEDISTER waste container allows contactless disposal of infectious waste. This eliminates contamination through manual contact while staff have both hands free for handling the waste. Contaminated, pointed and sharp objects are disposed of in puncture-proof needle boxes, which are then put in the MEDISTER container. The waste ends up in the MEDISTER waste container without hazard.
Contaminated and infectious waste is generated everywhere at a hospital. We offer our customers a comprehensive waste management system that makes it possible to dispose of this waste in a simple and controlled manner. The risks emanating from infectious pathogens are thus eliminated in the best possible way. The METEKA Hygiene System is perfectly suited for both small laboratory units as well as large clinics and also for research and production facilities.
After disposal, the infectious waste can be transported by the staff easily and safely from all clinic and laboratory areas to the MEDISTER waste disinfection device. There can be no contamination caused by liquids leaking out of the waste bags. The sophisticated MEDISTER technology requires only minimum effort to install. The waste is treated directly in the collection container, which can be easily put into the MEDISTER device through its unique front-loading system. Dangerous handling of waste bags is no longer necessary, which means that the transmission of germs is prevented and operating and disposal staff are protected. The patented MEDISTER microwave technology heats up the waste quickly and efficiently from the inside. In the process, the temperature in the container is permanently measured and the killing of germs throughout the waste is guaranteed. The disinfection of the infectious waste through the MEDISTER microwave device is done in a particularly effective and resource-friendly way so that in comparison to alternative procedures, substantially less energy and water are required. The disinfection carried out is documented electronically and via an integrated label printer. After the successful treatment, staff mark the waste bag with a label in order to safeguard traceability. The cycle data can be transmitted via USB interface or data line connection to a central computer unit. Through the MEDISTER software, which is available separately, all cycle data can be displayed and analyzed on the PC. After successful treatment in the MEDISTER microwave disinfection device, the now non-hazardous household-like waste can be handed over safely to the disposal company.
The METEKA system ensures a safe handling of infectious waste in our hospital. It offers us fail-safe equipment that requires little maintenance and is easy to use. We've been working extremely successfully with these devices for 20 years and see ourselves ideally prepared for future challenges.